Hello guys, so we'll try to fix this bike. I have this 2017 Santa Cruz Nomad, and I'm having a problem with my drivetrain. I encountered was that when I do a pedaling, experience skipping. I already changed the cogs of this 1 and 2, but somehow it's still there. It is possible that it is caused by unmaintained hub. So I'm using a hub which is a grisking hub. This frame is non-boost, so clean it up, put the lube, make sure that there's no uh, there's nothing that will hinder the spring to push the ring drive of this hub. It's my first time to do it. I will just look at the video in YouTube, then we'll see. I'm pretty confident I can do it. So watch out and let's see how we can fix on our own. This is a Sunrace Cassette 50T. So in order for me to do a katam, which is very much needed. So basically I have this from Lycan. It's a kit, it's easier to use, and we need this tool to insert it. There you are. So to put it here. Then there you are. Oh, it's pretty. There is some teeth here. It's done. By removing the lock ring. Once you remove this from here, you hold the axle, you insert the bolt, hold the axle and rotate. Then you can remove now this. Okay, so it's just you just need this and remove it, the cup. It's a cup basically. So now you can now bring this up. So what this looks like, there is some thread, that's why we need to unscrew it. Now we go to the back and push it. Yep, it says. Ow! So here is my rehab body. There you go. I will clean this up. Same the other side. Clean this up inside. I don't have the tool to remove the whole assembly, so just have to clean it up. And they said lubricant, put some lube here. So now we put it in, and then we clean up the other part. Oops. This is the other part where we need to clean it up. Okay, so we have to put back this one, this nut. You have to put it back so it will lock the whole thing. This basically a nut to lock the. Right, there you are. Now, next is of course to put in the hub, the cassette. So yeah, let's clean up the cassette first. Oh, smallest. Yeah, this one, the smallest one. Found the small. There you go. Smallest hole. There you are. It's difficult to get in because of because of all of this. From the smallest cup, it's causing it's a bit smallest. Okay. It just went. Smallest part is this one. There. It went in. Okay, so there you are. This one will get inside. This part, final part is the lock ring. So we have to put this. So, 14 Newton meter. Pasok.
May timbangan ka ba dyan, pre?
Ha?
Timbangan.
Meron. Anong timbangan?
Itimbangin ko lang yung box ko.
Kala ko bigat.
Nagbibiro lang ako.
Okay.
Gado grill. Separate chili na lang. Parang ayan.
Kalimutan ko lagyan ng rotor.
And for that.
para hindi mahirapan magtanggal, no?
Naklas ko yung yung hub.
Saan mo si Ryan kanina? Nag-bike?
Ayan, malinis na.
Kaya naman siguro yung TV ko, no?
Ay, TV okay lang. Pero yung mas mabigat doon, hindi kaya.
Hindi naman. Yung TV may kasamang ano lang, ano ba yun? Yung drawing board na binili natin sa IKEA.
Ang galing mo pala dyan ah. Hindi ko naman.
Yung ano ko